consciousness navigating the perception of energy through the mind is especially occurring through the forebrain and the left brain hemisphere through masculine energy. And consciousness in the reception of energy and the navigation of receiving energy is especially done through the body and the right brain hemisphere and the hindbrain through feminine energy. And then that creates the roots of reality, or the roots of our sense of self. And then we have the supporters of that essence of self and the supporters of our personal experience, which sustain and preserve energy, especially through masculine energy, where the midbrain connects the forebrain and the hindbrain, and that corpus callosum connects the right and left brain hemispheres. And then we have the energies of self that are emitting and extending and giving energy. And that's especially through feminine energy, again, where that corpus callosum is bridging left-right brain hemispheres, and the midbrain is bridging the connections between the forebrain and the hindbrain. And so we have this flow of masculine, feminine energies, and the different brain regions, and different energies of self-essence, and the navigation of infinite energies, and mind-body-spirit connection. And it all comes together in a new way to really understand aspects of self in a magical way. And so to explore the identity of self, but then how is the identity of self experiencing life through unconscious memories? How is the identity of self experiencing life through different brain regions? How is the identity of self expressing itself through characteristics of consciousness? What is the relationship and the correlation? And how do we really honor all these different components and aspects of ourself and our aspects of our experience without reducing the magnificence of them? The best part about all these different concepts coming together is that through my work, I offer a way to create treasure maps of very simple, colorful, fun, easy to play with, easy to understand, simplified concepts, so that all these complex things and all the ways that they are interacting with each other in every nanosecond of our experience beyond awareness can be simplified and understood and personally applied, so that not only are you exploring and discussing and understanding these concepts and their relationship with your personal experience, but you're able to apply it in a simplified way where you're like, oh, I can actually see a representation of what we just talked about. And I can actually create, actively engage with a treasure map, and I can color this and draw this and notate this so that I have a visual, colorful, fun, tangible representation of the application of all these ideas that we're talking about.